Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can verify your Facebook account. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook, and then you simply need to click on your profile picture on the top right. From here you need to scroll down and click on help and support and click on help center. So once you are here, you simply need to search for request. And here you can see request a blue verification badge. Click on that and click on request a verified badge on Facebook. So scroll down and here you can see fill out this form, and here you need to what are you verifying your page or profile. So I'm going to verify my profile. Here you need to add your profile link and add an official identification document for yourself or your business. So here you need to select document type. You can add passport, NIC card, tax filing, recent utility bill, article of incorporation. So it is up to you. And after that, show that the public figure, celebrity, or brand group page or profile represent in the public interest. So here you need to select your categories. After that, you need to enter your country or region, your audience, and add up to 5 articles, social media accounts, and other links that you showed your page or profile. So here you need to add your 5 links, and then you need to click on send. After that, the Facebook team will review and verify your account. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.